Welcome back, 7th and 8th grade Blue Jays. Super excited to have you coming back to Dan B. Rush Middle School. My name is Mr. Lloyd. I am your English teacher. I do teach primarily 7th grade EL or 7th grade honors, 8th grade honors, and then also 8th grade ELA. I can tell you a couple things about my class. One, I'm very excitable. In other words, I love being in class. I love having a high energy. Better get used to that, and hopefully you'll be able to match it. If not, I'll try to draw it out of you. Same way with learning more about English, improving our reading and writing skills. That'll go anywhere from grammar all the way up to um, building our reading ability and composition ability. So writing papers and writing short answers, as well as just answering questions correctly to show comprehension. I do that with three basic rules: be respectful, be responsible, and be positive. Those should go without explanation, but sometimes we do need to be reminded that being positive means that no matter what, you try to be upbeat. Even if you're not happy, share that in an upbeat manner, not in a way that tears someone down or that is argumentative in a mean way. There is a proper way to be argumentative, and we'll cover that later on in the year as well in both 7th and 8th grade. In order to be respectful, you also have to keep in mind that being positive is part of that. Um, I'll treat you the same way. I'll make sure that I'm also positive, that I'm also respectful. There is a way to also do that with a little bit of levity or a little bit of humor, and sometimes some sarcasm. All right. Make sure that you're also being responsible, though, not only with your work, but with the way that you're treating people, the way that you're interacting in class, that we were able to all learn and feel great and safe within our environment. Um, Other than that, I'm looking forward to the new school year to be able to learn and establish, like I said, anything from grammar. We will do a narrative lesson in both grades. We'll also do a um, lesson over the book The Outsiders in 7th grade. We will also work within looking at Flowers for Algernon for 8th graders, anywhere from the short story to the full text. Um, we'll look at Diary of Anne Frank in the 8th grade, and at the same time look at argumentative essays in both, building towards a research paper on one end that is propaganda, the other end is World War II. Um, if you have any questions, you have any concerns, please reach out to me. My email is loydm@jr7.k12.mo.us. That again is LOYDM, so my last name, Lloyd, M first initial, at jr7.k12.mo.us.